Welcome to Pauline's first birthday!
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Every day is a new beginning.
Yung Ezrael, from the root word of his name, Ezra. And yung Pauline, Paula na.
Everyone has a weight to carry. Everyone has a soul, so let it shine. Don't worry about the clouds.
Masaya po, marami pong nagbago. Dating mga barkada ang inuuna ko. Ngayon no
Diaper na.
Diaper na.
Sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes.
Yung mga hindi ko naranasan nung bata ako, talagang binubuhos ko sa kanya. Kasi nga, iba talaga yung feeling, nag-heal talaga yung inner child ko.
I believe in the heart inside me. I believe in the hope that conquers hate. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing.
Happy birthday, Pauline!
Happy birthday, Polly! We love you!
Happy birthday, Pauline!
Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Takot sa Diyos, sa magulang, at sa mga nakakatanda. At yun lang, mahal na mahal kita. Dito lang palagi si Daddy para sa'yo.
Wish ko sa'yo is makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral and lumaki ka na best version mo always. Kasi kahit ano ka pa, lagi kitang tanggap, tsaka mahal kita. I love you more and more each day, anak. I love you.
Good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Happy birthday, Polly! We love you!
Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.